Hello guys, good morning. Today I wanna go unboxing for you all guys. My first dreams, my Canon EOS 800D. I want to unbox now. Let's see what we get in one box. How many items we can get in one box, what we can get free. Let's see guys. I will show you guys. Let's see guys. EOS 800D, get right here. So I want unboxing for you. So we need to see here. We can get this in one box, 5 items. A digital camera EOS 800D, zoom lens 18-15 mm standard lens. This one is included with the device camera. So strap, battery charger and battery pack. We must have get these things in one box. Okay, let's see. I open to see how. Okay, have here Canon catalog. Okay, this book we need to read. We have to read this book, how to use the device, how to use the camera. Okay, so this one is the strap. Okay, strap is we holding the camera. Okay, I get memory card 32 GB free. This memory card is free, yeah, 32 GB, yeah. This for camera. So let's see, go inside. I will show you the guys. This one is charger, charger cable. Okay, this is a charger cable. Okay, this one, this is a charger device. Okay, this is the charger device. Okay, this one we have to charge the battery. Okay, I have here battery pack. See, this one is the battery pack. Okay, included with the cover. This one is a battery pack. Okay, this one is lens. Okay, this one is lens. The lens is 18, see, 18-55. Okay, zoom lens, let's zoom 18-55 mm. Okay, this one is lens. See, another one is device. It's a camera body. Okay, this one is camera body. Let's see, open. Okay, that's all. See the camera body. Okay, this is the camera body. Screen. Okay, you see guys, screen can turn. Okay, in front and turn back. Okay, so can put back like this also, we can use. Okay, this one is the screen toss also, can screen toss also. So here is the cable. Okay, HDMI cable also got. Okay, HDMI cable also got, USB also got. Okay, we direct connect to TV also, we can see from here. Okay, this one is the microphone. If we video record anything, we blogging video, we can use a microphone here. Okay, so here is memory card. See guys, here is memory card. So the downstairs is battery. Okay, downstairs is battery. So I will show you guys unback my camera. Okay, I will show you guys unback my camera. Okay, see, we connect the lens first. Okay, we connect to lens first. Okay, we connect the lens first. So then we put back the battery. Okay, we put back the battery like this. Okay, so we take out the cover. Okay, so we turn on the camera. Okay, take out the screen. Can see here. Okay, can see here guys. Turn on my camera. So I can turn the screen. See guys. Okay, I record video. Okay, there. So can see guys. Okay, that's all. So whenever you all guys buy the camera, you can get that's all free. Okay, so this is my one of the dreams, my first DSLR. Okay, so I like to travel to go anywhere. I have to do vlogging, so easy for me. This okay guys, that's all. So here, whenever we after use camera, we have to open the all lens, battery, everything, then put back. So when we open the lens, we push here to that, turn back to that, put like this. Must be careful the lens. So we faster close. Okay, we faster close back. Okay, so our battery also take out, then put inside the device. Very fast damage the battery. Okay, this one also we have to close for safety. Okay guys, that's all my DSLR EOS 800D. So one of the camera back, I have to get one of the camera back guys. This one also get free, include the body, so easy for holding the camera. Now it's safety also. Have a look guys, it's a camera, Canon camera back. So like this, very much safety guys. Here we can put here also. This one is I show you the guys inside also more safety. So it's more safety. You see guys, camera body put here, lens put here. We can put 2 lens, body include charger also you can put. That's all guys. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy guys. If whenever you all guys buy the camera, you can get all these packages in the box. Thanks guys. Bye bye, see you again.